No one likes sitting around at the BMV, and now you don't have to. Eligible drivers can complete an Ohio driver's license renewal online. Here's how to do it. Ohio drivers can renew their licenses online, in person, or by mail. You'll need to pay a renewal fee of $27.25 for a 4-year license, and you can expect your new license to arrive in the mail within 10 days. You can renew your license anytime within 6 months of its expiration. If you're unsure when your license expires, check the front of your card next to where the license class is listed. Note that if you choose to renew more than 90 days in advance, your new license will only last for 3 years, not 4. And if you're about to turn 21, you'll need to wait to renew your license until it's within 30 days of the expiration. To renew online, visit bmv.ohio.gov and click on DL/ID renewal. You're eligible to renew via the online portal if you're between the ages of 21 and 65, your current license was issued in person, and your photo is already on file with the BMV. To renew in person, head to your local BMV. No appointment is necessary. Bring your current license as a form of ID and be prepared to pass a vision test. You'll also need to pay the renewal fee. Lastly, if you're temporarily living out of state, you can renew your Ohio driver's license by mail. To get started, you'll need to request a packet from the Ohio BMV. Call 844-644-6268 or send an email on the BMV website. Once you receive the packet, simply fill all of it out and return it to the return address with payment. You should get your new license in the mail within 10 business days. For more information on your ID and car ownership, go to getjerry.com.